Thank you, Madam Chair. Uh, this is a proposed ordinance. Abi, po sabay nini, may kakahon sa inyo. Out of order.
Please proceed.
While I'm talking, you also listen, Mr. De La Llaga. Okay. Okay, thank you. So this is a proposed ordinance prohibiting the posting of bills and advertisements of electrical posts covering their identification numbers and for other purposes. Ipasar ko ning ordinance kay nag-apply ako for temporary electrical permit. They are asking me to identify where that place is. Kanya kanyo identify the nearest post na malapit sa imo. Kasi pag pangita ko, puro may tabon ni Malabanan. May advertisement, sip-sip puso with number, no, contact number. Tama pa, they are covering the post number, which is very important. Kung may sunog, if you want to identify where is that place, you call more, then immediately they can respond because they can identify where is that place. Kaya may isa pang ida ng lipat bahay. So duha na na-observe ko nga nag-lipat na. Oh. So that is why more told me na if you can pass an ordinance, that is why I'm passing this ordinance for first reading. So moved.
It has been moved and seconded. Here no objections. Ordinance is passed for first reading.